Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 72, lecture 10. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, paper 2. Today, we will discuss about the types of organic reactions. Organic reactions are broadly of following 4 types: substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction and rearrangement reactions. सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन यानी हिंदी में इसे प्रतिस्थापन अभिक्रिया कहते हैं. A substitution reaction is that which involves the direct replacement or displacement of an atom or a group of atoms in an organic molecule by another atom or group of atoms without any change in the remaining part of the molecule. That is, the incoming groups get attached to the same carbon to which the outgoing group was attached. Depending upon the nature of the attacking species, that is a nucleophile, electrophile or a free radical, the substitution reactions are also of 3 types: electrophilic substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction, free radical substitution reaction. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन यानी कि इलेक्ट्रॉन स्नेही प्रतिस्थापन अभिक्रिया. In this reaction, the attacking species is an electrophile and the reactive site in the substrate is electron rich or it is a nucleophile. For example, benzene. Benzene having pi electrons, so it is an electron rich molecule. So it is also termed as a nucleophile. Nitronium ion, it is an electrophile. It is attaching to the benzene molecule. It will first form intermediate arenium ion, and then after substitution of this proton, it will form nitrobenzene. It is a substituted product. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन यानी नाभिक स्नेही प्रतिस्थापन अभिक्रिया. In these reactions, a stronger nucleophile usually displaces a weaker nucleophile. For example, alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, when it is reacted with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, it is a stronger nucleophile. It will displace this substitute, halogen, and it will give us alcohol substituted product. Free radical substitution reaction. Substitutions यानी मुक्त मूलक प्रतिस्थापन अभिक्रिया. Substitution reactions initiated by free radicals are known as free radical substitution reactions. For example, alkane यानी methane. For example, we have taken methane. Chlorinated in presence of UV light or higher temperature, it is about 500 degrees centigrade temperature. It will give us methyl chloride and hydrochloride. Mechanism. Initiation steps, it will chlorine molecule will convert it into chlorine free radical in presence of UV light or higher temperature. In propagation step, this methane molecule, it is reacted to with chloride free radical. It will form methyl free radical plus HCl, and this methyl free radical again it is reacted with chlorine, another molecule of chlorine. It will give methyl chloride plus chloride free radical. In termination steps, all the free radicals, it will combine to form neutral molecule. For example, this chloride free radical, it will combine to form chlorine molecule. Methyl free radicals form ethane molecule. Next reaction is addition reactions. Reactions which involve combination between two reacting molecules to give a single molecule of the product are called addition reaction. This is also in Hindi में इसे योगात्मक अभिक्रिया कहते हैं. Such reactions are typical of double or triple bond compounds. Depending upon the nature of attacking species like nucleophile, electrophile, free radical, addition reactions are also of following three types. Nucleophilic addition reaction यानी नाभिक स्नेही योगात्मक अभिक्रिया. In carbonyl compounds, here this carbon is electron deficient, and when it is reacted with nucleophile, means nucleophile is added to the this electrophile part, means electron deficient, and after the proton addition, it will form as ketone cyanohydrine. It is a addition product. Similarly, electrophilic addition reaction यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन स्नेही योगात्मक अभिक्रिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोपिलीन यानी प्रोपीन. Here addition of HBr. So first proton is added to the molecule propylene, and it is a slow step. It will form intermediate secondary. This is a carbonium ion, isopropyl carbocation. It is a secondary, and it is a stable one also. So to this secondary carbonium ion, bromide is added by fast addition. It is a fast reaction and it will form 2-bromopropane. It is a addition product. Next is free radical addition reaction यानी मुक्त मूलक योगात्मक अभिक्रिया. Here this reaction, in this reaction propene, this addition of HBr in presence of peroxide, so it is also known as Kharas Niyam or anti-Markovnikov rule. It will give us normal propyl bromide. Mechanism. In initiation step, peroxide is homolytic due to the homolytic fission in presence of UV light or higher temperature. It will form alkoxy free radical. This alkoxy free radical reacted with HBr and it will form alcohol plus bromide free radical. In propagation step, this in alkyl, this propene or alkene, bromide free radical is added. It is a slow step and it will form isopropyl free radical because secondary free radical is more stable. And this to this secondary free radical, again HBr is added. HBr is reacted by fast reaction and it will form normal propyl bromide plus bromine free radical. So it is also known as the anti-Markovnikov rule. So here we will get 1-bromopropane. In termination, bromide free radical are combined. It will form bromine molecule. Next is third reaction is elimination reaction, यानी विलोपन अभिक्रिया. An elimination reaction is one that involves the loss of two atoms or groups of atoms from the same or adjacent atoms of a substance, leading to the formation of a pi bond or multiple bond. Here, for example, in ethanol, it is a dehydration reaction in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, or it can carry out in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. It will evolve this water molecule and give us ethene. So it is a dehydration, and here we can see elimination of hydroxy and proton from the ethanol molecule. Similarly, next reaction, dehalogenation. When dehalogenation is carried out in presence of zinc dust, for example, dibromoethane, in presence of zinc dust, when it is reacted, it will form ethene molecules plus ZnBr2. It is called dehalogenation reaction. Next is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Here, when it is carried out, 1-bromoethene, when reacted in presence of alcoholic KOH, it will form ethene molecule plus KBr and water molecule. So it is a elimination of dehydrohalogenation. Rearrangement reactions. Rearrangement reactions involving the migration of an atom or a group from one atom to another within the same molecule are called rearrangement reaction. For example, here normal butane, it is rearranged to isobutane in presence of aluminum chloride. Similarly, 1-chloropropane, it is rearranged in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to 2-chloropropane. Similarly, acetylnitrene, it is rearranged to form methyl isocyanate, and it is also known as a name reaction, Hofmann's rearrangement reaction. This molecule, it is converted to in orthopara hydroxyacetophenone in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So this is called the rearrangement reactions. Thank you very much for today's lecture.